Hey guys, Paul here with Diode Dynamics, very excited to show off our new Stage Series LED rock lights. Now let's cut right to the chase. What makes these different? The most important thing is that output. 10 watts, 1,000 lumens, totally exceeds anything else you can find on the market today. Let's take a closer look. Now the first thing to talk about is the construction of these lights. As you can see, we've gone with that classic ICO bezel style with the Stage Series lineup, which really gives it a distinct look. But you might notice these lenses are interchangeable as well. So just get a flat screwdriver or small tool, and you can pop this lens off and swap it on the fly with any other color option. We have these in clear and diffused as well, but just snap it right back on and you'll be ready to go. That still maintains the seal, and these are torture tested, really built to withstand anything, backed by an 8-year warranty. One way we do that is the lens itself. The lens is actually almost 2 millimeters in thickness. It's made to be extremely heavy-duty material and ready to take a beating. The lenses are actually optically designed. It's not just a clear cover like you'll find on other lights as well, and that's going to provide a really nice spread of light with the optic feature and the diffusion to get as much spread right around with that close proximity to a wheel or to the ground. So these things are going to shine with that great light output, interchangeable lenses anytime you'd like. Now I'm going to pop off the lens one more time to show you the next nice feature of these things, and that's how they mount it in place. They do use a center mounting hole, as you can see, so whether you use a nut and bolt or a screw, you can put it right through that center hole to fix it easily on any surface. Now if you don't want to go drilling right there, you can use some side tabs and use a zip tie to mount it up instead. So pretty versatile options, and you'll see looking at the back of this, our wire exit is actually designed so it can come straight out or out from the side. So, you know, the cleanest installation will give you a one small hole for the wire and then fixing it in place. But if you need to, you can mount it flush with that wire coming out and it'll stay there perfectly in place. Now, if that's not enough for you in terms of mounting, we've got a couple great other options as well. If you're planning to mount these on a surface somewhere, on the side of a trailer or something like that, you'll want to check out our die-cast surface mount adapter. And what's great about these adapters is that they install really quick and easily. So simply run your wire through, and then you'll use that center mounting point to basically assemble this into a full lamp. So it'll all be one unit, and then you can mount that in place. So as you can see, this just cleans up the side of the unit, makes it a little bit nicer to stay flush right against the surface. You can also use this angle adapter if you'd like, run the wire right through there, and then you'll be able to angle that down slightly, which is good. Keep in mind it does spread light really evenly, but if you want to angle it down and away, up on the side of a trailer for example, that's a great option to do that. And again, it all looks like a nice finished unit. Now if you need it to be even more flush, you'll want to check out the next option, which is our flush mount adapter. As you can see, this is a really shallow adapter, so this is a great option if you want to mount some lights, but our pods can be pretty deep. All you need is about 1 inch or so, and you can mount a light flush to a surface using this adapter. So again, all you have to do is fish that through, and you'll secure the whole pod onto the unit itself, and that's going to give you a really nice, clean, flush appearance. Now our next mounting option is going to be our roll bar mount. So same idea here. All we're going to do is fish the wire through that slot here to get that down, and then fix the lamp once again with that center mounting point. Then you can basically thread a couple hose clamps through in order to clamp this to any roll bar size. Any diameter fits thanks to that design with the groove. So if you need this installed on a roll bar or a roof rack, the bars going across there, no problem, great option for that. Finally, if you need even more versatility, we've got our magnet mount option. Now what's cool about this option, it mounts the same exact way. Again, throw your wire through the adapter and fix this in place with that center mounting position, and it becomes one unit. Then our magnet is actually molded directly into this, so it's not even exposed, it's not going to mar anything up, and you can attach that anywhere with a powerful neodymium magnet. That's going to be a great, convenient option if you just need to throw these in place or if you think you're going to move them around in the future. Now let's talk about the light output one more time. As I said, this comes with a crazy 10-watt, 1,000 lumen output in that white color, which is just totally crazy and plenty to light up anything you're trying to do. But we realized that might be too much light output for some applications, so this is a 3-wire system. You can switch to that lower power level, which is actually about the output of most rock lights, about 3 or 4 watts. That's our low power level. So between the high and the low, you can shine a little bit less light if you just don't need that much intensity around a campsite or just to conserve battery. Now, one great thing about that 3-wire system with the low and high output is that you can really expand the functionality if you'd like. This can't fulfill the function of any road legal type light, but for off-road applications, for example, you could run the low power to your running light and high power to your brake light, pop on a red lens, and you've got an extra multi-function light. So again, with that low and high function, you can do all kinds of different things that you really can't with just a simple on and off switch. Now, if single color is not enough for you, you can switch it up to our full multicolor RGBW option. That contains a waterproof connector like the others, but this is going to be paired up with our Bluetooth controller in order to change the color to anything you'd like on the fly using a smartphone. That can be also set up to do fade, strobe, pattern, anything you'd like. So if you want some serious style, the multicolor would be a great option to look at. And keep in mind, with that RGBW, you still get the pure white, clean appearance as well. Now, with how versatile these lights are, they can really be mounted anywhere. Whether it's the center mount, side mounts, or any one of the accessory mounting options, there's all kinds of places these could end up. And for that reason, we offer them in a single, 4-pack, or 8-pack. And if you want to go with the single, you can choose either the bare wire leads to make your own harness, or a complete waterproof connector, which comes with harnesses, extensions, splitters, other accessories to make it more plug and play. So again, single, 4-pack, or 8-pack, we know that you can find a solution to fit your application, and we really look forward to seeing where all these end up and all the great applications out there. So thanks for checking out the new Diode Dynamics Stage Series rock light, the new standard in total output from a light. Again, 10 watts, 1,000 lumens, just crazy, and interchangeable lenses, all kinds of mounting options. We're really excited about this one. You can find it online at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find it at a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.